Oh, someone's giving. Are you taking the teddy bear for a ride? Yeah, go in the kitchen. You want to go in the kitchen? Let's go vroom vroom. Okay, let's go right in the house. Beep beep. Vroom vroom. Okay, sit down. Michaela, sit on your car. Sit down. Let's go vroom vroom. Ready? We're all gonna go vroom vroom vroom. Come on, vroom vroom. I think she doesn't want to sit on her poopy diaper. You got your teddy bear? Go ahead, sit. Why don't you sit on your seat? Here, sit on your butt. Here. Here. There's your teddy bear. He's hugging you. Okay, go. Mommy, follow you. Go ahead. Look at you. Look at you, little Miss Pretty. Oh, teddy bear's having fun. What? Vroom vroom. Oh, here, you want mommy to fix it? You want mommy to fix teddy bear?
Yeah.
There you go. Sit down on your butt. Here, drive your car. I'm following you. I'm following you. We're going vroom vroom. She does not want to sit in her poop. She normally doesn't care. Oh, back home? Here, go that way. Let's go back through the kitchen. Yeah, right there. There you go. Okay, let's go through the kitchen. Right here. Look. You want to go back home this way?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Here's my car. Vroom vroom. Nope, she's waiting for me. Vroom vroom. I'm glad this toy holds me. Oh. Let me fix your teddy bear. Teddy bear's falling off. There. I'll move that out the way. Okay. I love driving these cars around the house. I'm so glad that Oliver got a second one. I don't need an extra car, just give me this. I'll just ride my Zebra all around the house. I'll just follow my baby. All my friends drive a low rider. Little Miss I don't want to sit on my poop is over here. She's so darn cute. You're so darn cute. Yeah.